Oh, my baby is excited
Yes,
and
I'm excited because I've got
happy.
my toy back.
Yeah, with his coffee maker.
Yeah.
Came from Melbourne.
Yeah.
Yeah, look. He's
So,
waited for it for more than 2 months to arrive. Wow.
and this, okay, so this is what, this thing is called the group head. It's called the group head.
Okay.
And you give it a rinse through to rinse the machine and also to warm your cup.
Okay.
And you have on this machine, you have a frother for frothing your milk,
Okay.
heating your milk. So
Do you have
that,
milk?
no, we don't have milk, so I'm going to have a black coffee this morning.
Wow.
So
Wow.
so that generates steam to heat your milk. And if you want a long black, you can heat your water from this outlet here, which gives you hot water. So you can actually make tea from that as well.
Oh, you're so happy.
Okay,
Yay.
so we've done that, we rinsed that. And now we will go and grind our coffee beans. And this is the coffee grinder. You put the beans in the top. Okay, and this sets your grind size. So I'm just going to set it about 2 off that size, two off the edge there, and we will try.
Whoa, so high tech. That's so happy.
Smell that nice coffee smell as you
Wow.
grind those.
Road coffee.
Okay, and when you get that about half full, you use this tamper to
Okay.
tamp down your.
Whoa.
It's not coming through very quickly. Okay, because it's had old coffee in it, it's flagging a bit. That seems to have come through. So, okay, so then you firmly tamp it down and until it reaches.
You have to use it all back or just one?
No, you just fill one group head. This is, because I like my coffee strong, this is a 2-cup
Okay.
one. So here we go.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay.
So I'll just get rid of that water. My cup is nicely warmed up.
Okay.
Yeah.
He's so excited. Isn't it? For this.
Okay, and then this espresso machine is programmable, but I'm just going to use the standard setting to give us a double shot.
Okay. Wow.
So it gives double shot.
Wow.
So we're watching, okay, that's too finely ground. Okay. So what I might have to do is I'm going to have to throw that away because that's a brand new grinder and I don't know why. But it over-pressurized. Like, you have a gauge here which measures the back pressure to, like, you've got 15 bar of hot water pressure. Now, it's critical that you get the right pressure to the right grind size. So what I found there was that it went into the red zone and wasn't extracting coffee because the grind is too fine.
So what
And
we're going to
ideally, what you're looking for is then that orange zone,
So
which gives you the right flow of hot water through the
That.
group head, through the coffee. If it's in the grey zone, then you're under extracting it, which means you'll have a weak coffee, and that's probably because you've got a too coarse a grind size. And like I've experienced here, over in the red zone means you're over extracting, you're putting too much pressure, your coffee will be bitter. So I'm going to try again with another grind size.
Oh my
This
God.
is part of the experimentation process when you've got a new grinder.
So you don't throw that, Bob. Are you going to throw it?
Yes.
Oh my. Can
Or else we could put it in a cup.
in a cup, and then we can put that there if you want to.
Yeah, we'll do that. All right.
Using manual.
For you. All right.
Yeah. Maybe I can put it here later.
No, because it's got damp, so it needs to be used.
Nah?
It will need to be used.
Really?
Yeah, that's all right. Okay, so now then, let's go back to our grinder, and we'll adjust our grind setting back here considerably. So we'll take it to there, and then we'll try grinding again. Okay, so we have an issue. We have a feed issue there. Okay. Let's just see what's happening here. Okay. The beans aren't getting down there. Okay, where's my glasses?
Is this new one, Bob?
Yes, it's a new grinder. Okay, so what is happening is that this has a little shut off here.
Maybe
So
you just put it.
perhaps the shut off isn't engaging properly.
There, I think there is a hole that, Bob.
Yeah, it goes on there,
Yeah, that's why it did not,
like there, goes there, and it got there. Okay, well we should be getting a better grind size now. Let's try.
It's fine? How would you know?
Well, it's a matter of experimentation between the grind size and the coffee, because coffee beans vary a lot in terms of how they are roasted. So you can quite often have to do this for every new lot of coffee you get, because it depends on how long the beans have been roasted to the physical brittleness of them and their moisture content. So this is just a little experimentation.
So,
Okay, so that's, you use a firm but not excessive pressure, and you always make sure that
so you already
have,
adjust.
yeah. So we've adjusted that. We'll go and try again. If you don't first succeed, try again. That's the story of my life. Okay, let's see now. Double shot.
That's his girlfriend, the coffee maker. That's all right with me, as long as
long as she makes you a cup of coffee.
yeah.
Okay, so here we're going into the orange zone here. So
that's fine.
That's a perfect one. That's
So-
perfect, yeah. So you can see the flow. of the
Wow.
Express. So that's nice. That'll be a
So-
good cup of coffee.
You know, because my husband, when we go to Ojongan, we bought very expensive espresso. What do you call it?
Coffee, yeah.
Espresso coffee. Costs more than 150 or more than that.
Yeah.
So
But the best cup of coffee that we've had is with the Germans at Ocean View.
Yeah.
View? Yeah.
in Tablas, you.
Yeah, they had the best coffee there that
Yeah,
I've had in the Philippines so far.
Yeah.
So let's try this one. So you can see it's got a nice creamer.
Ooh,
That's the
wow.
the froth
Really,
on the top.
Bob? Ooh, wow. Ooh.
Yes, that's a nice coffee. So I'm going to make that a long black. So I will just add some water.
So you have a lot of preparation before.
Yeah, that's right. So that's not bad. I'm going to enjoy that.
Ooh, how is it, my love?
That's good.
Wow.
So at the end of your
That? None?
so
Still?
let's see how that goes.
Oh, no need to use it?
No, it's used now.
It's already used
So
it.
you
Really, Bob?
toss it out.
Oh.
Give it a rinse.
Okay. Okay, Bob.